17 tiny health habits that can change your life. You wake up, look in the mirror, and say, "Today I'm finally going to eat better." But you are running late, so breakfast becomes a drive-through sandwich and a flavored coffee. By mid-afternoon, stress hits, and the vending machine starts calling your name. You get home tired, skip the workout, order takeout, scroll on your phone, and go to bed thinking, "I'll start again Monday." Sound familiar? Changing your health does not require a perfect diet, a 2-hour workout, or a complete personality transformation. Lasting progress is built through small decisions that are easy to repeat. Today, I'm giving you 17 practical habits for real American life at work, at home, and on the road. Number 1. Stop trying to change everything at once. Pick one behavior that feels almost too easy. Drink one extra glass of water. Walk for 10 minutes. Add one vegetable to dinner. When that becomes normal, add another. A dramatic plan may feel exciting for 3 days, but a small habit can survive a difficult week. Number 2. Make water the easiest option. Keep a reusable bottle on your desk, in your car, or next to your keys. Refill it when you refill your coffee or take a meal break. You do not need to chase one magical number for everyone. Your needs change with activity, climate, medications, and health conditions. The goal is to drink regularly instead of waiting until you feel drained. Number 3. Change your environment before testing your willpower. If chips, cookies, and candy sit on the counter, you must reject them every time you walk by. Put everyday foods where you can see them, and occasional foods where they are less convenient. Better yet, buy single portions instead of family-size packages. Your kitchen should support your goals. Number 4. Never grocery shop without a short list. Build your list around a protein, a high-fiber carbohydrate, vegetables, fruit, and one easy snack. A list reduces impulse buying and prevents you from staring into the refrigerator at 7:30 p.m. with no idea what to make. Number 5. Prepare tomorrow's first meal tonight. You do not need a complicated meal prep Sunday. Make overnight oats, prepare eggs, or pack leftovers for lunch. When the healthy choice is waiting, you are less likely to rely on a pastry or fast food line. Number 6. Use the add before you subtract rule. Before banning everything you enjoy, add something nourishing. Add fruit to breakfast, a side salad to lunch, frozen vegetables to pasta, or beans to soup. When a meal contains more fiber, protein, and volume, it often becomes easier to eat a reasonable portion without feeling punished. Number 7. Keep an emergency meal at home. Every household needs one balanced meal that can be ready in 10 minutes. Try frozen vegetables with rotisserie chicken, beans with brown rice, or eggs with whole grain toast. This protects you on nights when delivery apps look irresistible. Number 8. Prepare vegetables before you need them. Wash, chop, roast, or steam them soon after shopping. Put ready-to-eat vegetables at eye level in the refrigerator. Broccoli hidden in a drawer is an intention. Cooked vegetables in a clear container are a meal component. Number 9. Create a better response to cravings. When a craving hits, do not begin a courtroom debate in your head. Pause, drink water, and eat a planned snack such as fruit, yogurt, vegetables with hummus, or a small handful of nuts. Wait 10 minutes. You may still choose the treat, but you will be deciding instead of reacting automatically. Number 10. Make movement ridiculously convenient. Choose the gym closest to your home or job, not the one with the best social media page. Put your shoes by the door. Keep a resistance band near your desk. Leave a walking jacket in the car. The easier the first step feels, the more likely you are to take it. Number 11. Schedule exercise like an appointment. Do not say, "I'll work out when I have time." Decide where, when, and what you will do. For example, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 6 o'clock p.m., I will walk for 30 minutes. Tuesday and Saturday, I will do a short strength routine. U.S. public health guidance recommends that adults work toward at least 150 minutes of moderate activity each week, plus muscle strengthening activity on 2 days. But beginners can start smaller and build gradually. Number 12. Use the 10-minute rule. Tell yourself you only have to move for 10 minutes. Walk around the block, climb stairs, stretch, dance, or follow a short beginner workout. After 10 minutes, you may continue. If you stop, the session still counts. Consistency grows when the minimum is realistic. Number 13. Follow a plan instead of improvising every workout. Write down your exercises, sets, walking route, or weekly goal. A plan removes decision fatigue and helps you see progress. If you have an injury, chronic condition, chest pain, severe shortness of breath, or a major mobility limitation, get medical guidance before increasing intensity. Number 14. Connect a new habit to an existing habit. After your morning coffee, take a 5-minute walk. After lunch, refill your water bottle. After brushing your teeth, prepare your gym clothes. After dinner, pack tomorrow's lunch. The old routine becomes a reminder for the new one. Number 15. Move your phone away from the bed. Charge it across the room or outside the bedroom. Set a time when social media ends. The National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute recommends using the hour before bed for quiet time and reducing bright artificial light from screens. A distant phone also makes you stand up to turn off the alarm. Number 16. Protect a consistent sleep window. Try to go to bed and wake up at roughly the same time, including weekends. Keep the room cool, dark, and quiet. Do not turn bedtime into the moment when you answer emails, watch one more episode, or solve your entire life. Better sleep supports healthier decisions the next day. Number 17. Track actions, not perfection. At the end of the day, ask for questions. Did I drink water regularly? Did I eat a fruit or vegetable? Did I move intentionally? Did I protect my bedtime? You do not need for perfect yeses. You need more yeses over time. The most important lesson is simple information does not change your life until it becomes behavior. Do not finish this video and try all 17 habits tomorrow. Choose one. Make it easy. Repeat it for 7 days. Then build from there. Your health is not decided by one workout, one dessert, one stressful week, or one number on the scale. It is shaped by the direction of your ordinary days. Small choices may look unimpressive, but repeated choices become routines, routines become identity, and identity changes the way you live. Choose your first habit now, and write it in the comments: water bottle, 10-minute walk, prepared breakfast, or phone outside the bedroom. Start small. Stay consistent. Let the results grow.